Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to buy Hong Kong virtual number using service SMS MAN. But before I give you some easy and short instructions, I will tell you some facts about Hong Kong. The first and the most interesting fact is that the city is located as many as 260 islands. It is recognized as the most island city in the world. There are 7,650 skyscrapers in Hong Kong, and the number is growing every year. This is much more than in the home of skyscrapers, New York. Hong Kong officially ranks first in the world in the number of skyscrapers. In Hong Kong is always warm, just like Africa. In summer the temperature can reach 40 degrees, in winter a little less, about 15-20 degrees. Even despite the fact there are a lot of tall buildings, the city is the greenest in Asia. There are a huge number of parks, green areas and botanical gardens. In Hong Kong gambling is prohibited, so all the casinos are on the ships that stand in Victoria Bay during the day and go beyond territorial waters at night and turn into floating casinos. Now let's talk a little bit about the SMS MAN service. It's a service that allows you to buy a virtual phone number and create an unlimited number of accounts of any of the services. All our numbers are virtual, it's not a physical number which belonged to someone before you. You can use this number only once and only for the service which you choose. I will show you it in the instructions below. If you need to use the number several times, you can rent a number. How to rent a number you can learn from the tip above. And so let's now visually learn how to buy such a number. I suggest you go to our website. Here you see a list of services and a list of countries. You can immediately see what services we have. Now, after you have studied the list, you need to create an account. Click on Sign Up. Let's enter the mail and come up with a new password.
Missing on the page.
So you can also create an account using Google account, Twitter, GitHub and Telegram. I'll do it with a Google account. Now let's go back to the home page. In the top panel, let's select the Payments tab. Here you can put the right amount on the balance of the account. Once you have done the procedure, go back to the main page. Now let's choose a Hong Kong number and service. Congratulations, now you know how and way to buy a virtual phone number. Subscribe to our channel not to miss new video instructions. Bye everyone and see you all again.